Well done, Priestley, Young Player of the Year last year. Fantastic. Well done, son.
Thank you.
Brilliant.
Farquarson ar y foli, a mae Connah wedi cael ei haeddiant.
Well, Priestley, huge congratulations on winning Young Player of the Season 2019-20. Tell me, how does it feel?
Feels great, to be fair. I didn't realise, but I'm chuffed because I had a great season and I just want to keep going and hopefully I'll win another trophy. So.
Tell me, what's it been like to be part of this championship winning squad?
It's amazing, to be fair. Like, in the club's history, it's never happened, so being a part of it is a massive thing. And I'm just proud and Welsh champion, so can't complain.
How do you evaluate your progress last season?
I think I got better and better as every game went on, and I just felt myself grow with the team as well, and settling in, getting on with everyone even better, because it's my full season. So I was chuffed, to be fair, and just glad I could do it and win the league with it, you know.
Is your goal now to kind of retain that title and show everyone again what you're about?
Yeah, of course, because defending champions, we've got to turn up, don't we? So, and we got the double last year, the cup, the Nathaniel Cup and the league. I just want to do it again, because winning it once is great, but winning it twice is even better. And I just want to defend it and go again.
Yeah, well, many congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau mawr.
Thank you.